back. So in this video I'm going to do a sound test, like which one sounds better than each one. So remember, as I said in the earlier video, this particular speaker, I bought it maybe like 3 years ago. It has some few problems. So this is the power button. The power button has already spoiled. It has a hole. So right now I'm going to do a sound test review. I'm going to test which one is better. This one is a Soundcore Mini 3 and this one is a Soundcore Select 4. Don't worry about the sound, it's a knockout. This is the first year of 2026, which is, I don't know whether this one is a free sound copyright. I don't know what it's called. So let's try it out. So right now, play music on Soundcore Mini 3. So this is the Soundcore Mini 3. So let me play the music. So the other music is playing in the particular one. This is Soundcore Select 4. This is a newer version of the speaker. So let's play this particular one. This one is playing on this sound. So let's play it.